In the ever-evolving landscape of data integration, Bizdata's eZintegrations takes center stage by introducing a groundbreaking feature, environment settings. This innovation transcends traditional API request management, offering an unparalleled approach to flexibility and efficiency. Environments will serve as a way to organize and manage variables that are used in API requests. The primary purpose of environments will be to provide a means for making API requests more dynamic and flexible. Instead of hard-coding values in each request, one can use variables, making it easier to adapt to different scenarios and configurations. Environment variables are designed to be reused across multiple API requests and collections. This means one can use the same variable in various parts of your testing workflow, ensuring consistency and reducing redundancy. By changing the value of a variable in the environment, users can instantly update all requests that use that variable, saving time and effort. Join us in this video to know more about environment in eZintegrations. To begin, log in into your eZintegrations account, click eZintegrations in Dashboard and add an integration bridge. Our source type will be API. In data source, we will be using a free API. Our product name is humanoid and business object will be list users. The authorization URL can be seen on the screen. We will test it to see the response. The response containing all users can be seen here. Currently, it can be seen that no environment has been created. Now, we will create a new environment. To create, click on the Add option in the top right corner. The environment setting area can be seen. Here, enter the environment name that you want to create, and define the key value pairs as variables within the environment. We are keeping the environment name as production. Here, keeping the variable name as base URL. And setting its value same as the base URL of the previously tested API. Using the Save option, we will save the environment. Now, using the Swap button, we will go back to Data Source page. Currently, no environment is selected. Using the environment setting options, we can switch between different environments. Here, we selected the newly created production environment. Now, in API requests, we will reference the environment variables using double curly braces. Our variable was base URL, we will add that within the double curly brace, as can be seen in the video. Next, we will click the test button to check the response. We have received the response of list users as received previously. Now, we will repeat the same steps to create a different environment. We will name this environment as testing. The same variable will be used, that is, base URL. For this environment, we are giving a different value for the variable base URL. Saving it using Save button. Now, we will go back to Data Source screen and select the newly created testing environment. Click on Test to check the response. The response relevant to the testing environment can be seen. Multiple environments can be created and multiple variables can be added within them. Created environments and variables can be deleted too using the delete option as can be seen in the video. This video demonstrates how to create different environments and store the base URL of the API request. Using the same steps, many other information that needs to be repeated at multiple places such as client credentials, API token, API keys etc. can be saved. Following the same steps, environment and variables can be added in API operation under data operations and also while configuring the target in the data target. Environments in eZintegrations are useful for managing different configurations, testing various environments, and ensuring consistency in your API requests. They make it easy to adapt the requests to different situations without the need for manual updates in every request. This is precisely how eZintegrations will revolutionize and streamline the integration process, making it more efficient and adaptable.